where the Delhi BJP organizational meeting with the party's poll management committee is going to take place today morning, and BJP chief JP Nadda is all set to chair this election management meeting at the state party office this morning post 11 a.m. So this is going to be a very crucial meeting as far as the Delhi elections are concerned. Remember, around 29 seats have been announced by the BJP in the CEC meeting, and now they are in fact to decide upon the rest of the candidate. But as far as this meeting is concerned, this is going to be on the party's poll management. How are they going to do the campaign? What are the posters? Remember, a number of posters has been released by the BJP targeting the Aam Aadmi Party. I am now joined by Arun Dhata on this broadcast. Arun, 11 a.m. is when this crucial meeting is going to take place. What is really on agenda?
Well, see, Sharon, this is a very important, poll management committee meeting of BJP. We are told that close to 35 committees which BJP has formed for the Delhi election management, all of them, including the committee related to the manifesto, social media committee, and many other committees which they have formed for these important elections, are going to sit at Delhi BJP office, and BJP chief JP Nadda himself is going to be part of this meeting. And of course, we all know there is all important central election committee meeting of BJP tomorrow. So before that meeting, this is going to be a very crucial meeting, because every committee of Delhi BJP will be giving their feedback as to what they found on the ground in last couple of weeks before JP Nadda, and on the basis of that further strategy will be made. And also, of course, discussion about the remaining seats, who is the best candidate, and the surveys which they have conducted. So all these things will be presented before JP Nadda. Deliberation will happen on that. And also, Sharon, we're given to understand that there will be a Delhi core group meeting before this poll management committee's meeting, in which the core group members of Delhi BJP will be present, and this meeting also will be chaired by BJP chief JP Nadda. So today we will see back-to-back meetings at Delhi BJP office, and also importantly, how we are seeing that Aam Aadmi Party is trying to put pressure on BJP. We saw Atishi was crying day before yesterday, saying that she was thrown out of her house. How to counter all these things is something which is also going to be discussed in this meeting. So this is going to be a very, very crucial meeting. 41 candidates are still pending. BJP has only released 29 candidates so far. So I think this is going to be a good deliberation which BJP, BJP will take forward today at the Delhi BJP office.
All right. Thank you, Arun Dhata, for getting us all those information. We'll keep coming back to you as and when this meeting will take place. With that, we'll slip into a short break. More news and update on the other side. Stay tuned.